We all have experienced and we all have realized that we have great power, we have inner power, we have great power. And now you, in words, you all are aware now that we have 99 percentage metaphysical power is there, knowledge level, now you are well equipped. Now matter is that how to now, because you see when you open your notes, you will see the sentences, and how to absorb each sentence is now important. It is very, very important. And I, in my last classes, I told you, you write purpose. You write purpose. If you are, if you have written your purpose, then your, in your daily routine, you will find yourself whenever you are going here and there, you will immediately pull yourself and you will put in right direction, correct direction. We are here to evolve, holding each other's hand. So you should be very determined mind. You know, it took so hard to push you, to take just first step, not even first step, just 1% of first step. We have not reached 100 percentage. We have just reached, we can say, just first step of that ladder. We have to be very, very determined. You know, the most important thing is that we have to now take results. This is very important. Teaching knowledge will come. So, there is so much of knowledge, and now whatever knowledge we have until now, we have to experience the result. You have to take patience. Yes, you start from your home, you can start from your servants, your friends, your family. And if you are in sujok groups, there are so many patients and students waiting to know the result. Whatever we have studied in sujok, yes, level 1, level 2, 6 key, whatever we have done, by using all those techniques, we are solving the effect. Now you have to, you are very well aware that we are solving the effect, not cause. Be very clear in your mind. And we need both. We need to work on cause, and also we need to work on effect. So if person has acidity, gas, and you are treating, you know, stomach meridian, stomach 6 key, branch 6 key, or stomach correspondent point, that is cause, sorry, that is effect. Please be very sure. And result is coming. So many people have experienced result. Okay, now what is happening? Why so many people experience result and so many they don't experience result? When you solve their acidity problem, what happens? You know, their hidden latent smile is awakened because, wow, you know, pain. Just mute your mic, please. Please mute your mic.
Out high, no, madam.
There is, yes, someone's mic is on. So, you know, when their stomach disease is healed with the help of your correspondent treatment, or your, you know, meridian or whatever. So whenever you have treated and you have seen the results, in many cases, out of 10 cases, 6 people, they show good result. So what is how Professor Park Ji-woo used to explain that, you know, some people are open to it after recovering because they have suffered a lot because of stomach gas acidity. Yes, and they have lost their smile, correct? Then with the help of sujok, you treated, and this gas acidity was recovered. As a result, after this recovery, like, you know, relaxation comes. Wow, now I can eat food. In that pain they have experienced the beauty of stomach, the beauty of enjoying that food. Yes, so since so many years they have lost this. They were, you know, far away from this beauty. They couldn't enjoy food because of gas acidity. So there was a lot of pain. There was a lot of pain. Now after so many years, Well, they after doing sujok treatment or any other treatment, because I'm practicing, I'm sujok practitioner, so all the time sujok is coming. But at the same time, you take any other treatment. Yes. So when you do any treatment, and lot of comfort comes, relaxation. Now I can, wow, I can eat mango, or I can eat this food or that food. Yes. So this, because now patient has experienced that difference, lot of difference, suffering, suffering difference, yes, suffering, and that relaxation, he can feel this difference. As a result, when you treat, this patient has relief, he can compare with pains, and as a result, very deep smile comes. You understand my point? Very deep. That suffering has made him realize what is the, what is the meaning of good health, and what is the meaning of this spoiled stomach. And then smile is awakened very naturally. As a result, via body treatment, he can reach mind smile. There are both ways. Either via mind smile, he reaches body smile. Now, what happens? Then, when his stomach is cured, he feels so good, calm, peace, and he starts enjoying his life. Then again, because he has received this pain, he has received this suffering for some reason, because he wanted to put him in right path. But then after few days, then he again forgets those suffering times, and then he start again, gives ill treatment to stomach, and again he starts eating this and that. Initially last 2 years he didn't eat anything, no hotels, no that food and many other things. But then after that, he just forgot, and he started eating again those foods and lifestyle. Again he came back, again he returned back to this old lifestyle. So this disease again comes back. That is why he gives suffering again and again. If we have any disease, you have to understand his plan. If we have any disease, it means he is pushing you, he is showing, because he cannot speak, he cannot speak. He is showing you some new pathway. You have to change your direction. If you are not changing, then disease is also not leaving. Again and again, disease. If disease is coming again, then you have to think where I'm wrong. Of course, treatment you are doing, okay. With that treatment also, we are thinking where I'm wrong. Yes. So this kind of consciousness is very important when you lead your spiritual journey. Behind every pain, behind every suffering, definitely there is a cause. Sometimes, you all write, many people write, I couldn't find the cause. I just couldn't find the cause. It is not possible at all. And when we say that this cause is hidden in our past life, okay, agree. But at the same time, please understand, He has given birth. Yes, we have come in this life for solution, not for suffering. Not for suffering at all. Only thing is, our wisdom is not awakened. Our that popcorn, popcorn. There are pop when you are roasting this popcorn, corns. There are some corns which will pop up fast, and there are some corns popping up late, and some corns are still latent, not pop up. This is the same criteria. Yes. So how many popcorns? Your mind particles are like that popcorns. Imagine like popcorn, tuck, tuck. With new awareness, it is popping up. So if we say that, oh, I don't have cause and we cannot reach the cause, or maybe in past life, this is okay. But after understanding try origin, after understanding that He is smiling, He is perfect, He is love, He is smile, He is peace. He created this world, this universe with smile perfection. So if He has given birth in the form of human being, then definitely he wants us to reach the solution for sure. We can reach the cause. Only thing is now we have to, this is our mission. If from the very beginning, if we assign this, you see, you all are leading to higher level of consciousness. To common public, we can say they cannot find cause because they said we are okay, no, no, our life is very beautiful, very good, I have disease. No, they will not agree, but you will agree. Why I always say find cause, 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 because I understood his deep plan. This birth, human life birth, is not by chance. We have come here to harmonize ourselves. Otherwise, in as I told you always, that in animal, with the help of animal mind or insect mind, because all these creatures, all these are living beings, they also have mind, and with their mind, we cannot reach solution. Plant world mind, animal world mind, they are just living for their self existence, or you can say whatever creator has designed work. For example, we are eating plant like this, they are not doing any extra work. Whatever he has designed work for them, they are doing just that much, not extraordinary work. Yes, but human minds are doing extraordinary work. So what I want to say is there is always a cause. Only thing is we have to reach the conclusion solution. If we couldn't reach in this life, then you will continue the next life. In this life we say, in this life we say that we couldn't reach cause because this is past life, no one can reach, this is beyond our reach. Then what will happen in next life? Next life also you cannot reach cause. Then what about next life? It means we are coming again and again, again and again. What do you mean that our past life is like a baggage, we continue until the eternity? We don't have, it means we don't have a option, or we don't have this kind of opportunity to reach our cause and smilize ourselves. Only thing is our wisdom is not opened. There's all information. Triogen smile meditation is helping us to guide, to push you to the cause. Of course, if there is no cause, there is Newto, of course. But in from Newto world, yes, why we are doing this Newto finger, understand this. Because Newto has all information. When we are doing this mudra with smile meditation, that cause will pop up. You will understand for yourself. Before you give experience to other people, you have to meditate. You have to find your cause. When we do Newto finger, we should be aware why we are doing Newto finger, not with this awareness, okay, because I don't have cause, so I will do this. We are doing this. We are taking guidance from Newto world. Newto world has information on everything. That please help me to see that cause. Help me. From zero world, from memory bank, we are pushing, or we are picking up, so that popcorn pops up. The moment you see, you with this, your wisdom is awakened. This mudra wisdom is awakened. And then after 2 days, 3 days, maybe after 1 week, you will realize your wisdom is opened. Yes, this cause is coming from my personal life, deep hidden personal life. This is helping you to reach the cause. And then suddenly your mudra changes. This. This is all consciousness. By doing this, you see, this is mudra, but this is calculator. With this, you are doing something here. Mudra is just a tool. I want to be very clear. Mudra is just a tool. Only thing is, our hand has perfection. Our hand is representing fundamental forces of this universe, and he is operating. He has created this universe with these fundamental forces, and he is operating this world, beautiful world, with these fundamental forces. It means everything is here. This is calculator. This is calculator. And someday you have to drop this for yourself. But no, not now. We are beginners and we need this. This is your work. What is the research then? What is the research if we couldn't reach cause? In next Sunday, I'm going to explore every aspect in detail. For example, I may take just life, you know, and you will understand how, because you know that we have personal life, we have embryo life, we have natural life, we have social life. Yes, and you know all the headquarters, all the, you know, all those components of personal life, social life, you know, spiritual life or government life. Then now we will explore everything, each life, and certainly you will find, oh, my cause is here. Maybe embryo life, maybe your some house matters. House, you know, house matters, can so many house matters. You have written house matter just in one force, just one joint, just one force. But just explore house matter, you know. Just one example I can give you, for example, your maid servant. Yes, we just, you know, we just ignore this. Sometimes lot of suffering, maybe, you know, lot of suffering from this sector. And maybe, you know, in corona time you experienced many this supports, you know, you couldn't get this support and you had to do lot of hard work, your mental stress, your body stress. So my god, you couldn't focus. Oh, this maid can also be a cause of your suffering. And we are thinking big things, of course, big things. So we have to go penetrate even your pet. You know, we have pet in our home, even our pet. There is a case, yes, there is a case, a person who loves his dog so much, then due to some accident, some situation, he lost his pet, and then lot of suffering in that time. Now it is okay, now he has another pet, business, this, that, very happy. But he couldn't find, because when we are exploring his life, we couldn't explore. And we, where is that dog, or where is that pet or cat, whatever, parrot, cat, what is the place in your life? Then, oh my god, suffering is coming from this sector. I told you, suffering particles. There are suffering particles. From which sector it is coming? And later, after exploring this, you realized that today I have ulcers in my intestines or duodenum, because in that time, there was lot of suffering because of that pet, losing pet. It was momentary, but that created big disease. And now you forget. There is always a cause. Not only this, what is your, you know, pets become part of your family, your social life. What is life? You are connected to so many things. Sometimes you lose your property, sometimes you lose your gold, sometimes you lose your money. Yes, then suffering coming. You have to just think, be expert in finding cause. Not only this, plant world. Don't you think plant world, people, those who have gardens, they have balconies, they have gardens in their home. Yes, every day morning you are giving water to your plants. What do you feel? Do you feel connection? Whenever, wherever you feel connection, it means one string. Now you have to understand how many threads are attached to your this in your present life. These are all strings. It means plant world. It means your balcony plants are also part of your life. If something happens morning, if you go in your balcony, terrace, garden, and if you see your plants damaged because of some situation, damage, how much suffering it comes. Of course, not for all because they're not attached to that. But if you are attached to your plants are also part of your life. Anything attached, anything. Now I'm giving you vast vision. Any attachment is part of your life. Not only this, your memory. Go to memory. We have written memory in just one finger. So much to explore. Any memory, any memory. 10 years back, someone said something, that past time memory. Now also, when you are thinking it is giving suffering, it means you are again one thread going to this past memory. You imagine many, many threads, one thread, and suddenly you will realize this is awakening, this is awareness. Suddenly you will realize, oh my God, so many threads. This past memory, this person said this thing to me, this, oh, this thread is attached to this person, this memory. It means this memory has become part of your life. You have to understand this. Memory can also become part of your life. So many things. See the material in your home, see your kitchen, see outside, see relationship, see society. Many things you see in your life, but you are not very attached. What is meaning of attachment? How you will find the cause? Anything which you have in your life, if you lose that, if you can sense suffering sense after losing, it means that thing is part of your life. Simple. Now you will understand. Explore yourself. Now you will understand there are so many threads, and from so many these pathways, suffering is coming continuously. Sometimes one suffering coming from this, but we are looking big cause, maybe some big cause. Anything, anything, not it. Your favorite dress can become the cause. Sometimes ironing, yes, and your sari, silk sari, good dress is spoiled. And oh my God, I purchased, this is so expensive. This is my favorite color. This is one of my best dress in my cupboard. Oh, what happened? Lot of suffering in that moment. Cancer can give suffering. Even this small point can give suffering. See, I have understood in my life, situation is big or small. Suffering particles, intensity of suffering particles can be same. A patient suffering from cancer, yes, has suffering particles, but also patient or a person, just because he has lost his car in accident, car in accident, and the pain is so much more than cancer, more than cancer. And you see, then you have to remove the situation and just see the suffering particle weight. See the weight of suffering particles. This cancer person is suffering now, and this person who has lost the car is also suffering. Same weight of suffering is same. Event is vanished. A person can have pimple. Yes, if you are a Bollywood personality, Hollywood personality, some scar on the face can give lot of suffering. And then suffering coming from the dangerous disease. And now this is your enlightenment. You have to remove the situation, and then you have to weigh the suffering particles. What is the weight? I hope you're understanding this. If you understand this, then you will become very, very sensitive. You will become very alive to each situation. Some people, just small things, someone said this thing to me, they will receive lot of suffering particles. And some person, biggest situation happened in their life, they are peaceful. So very, very important thing, you will definitely have cause. We will explore more and more in coming time. Maybe I said that Sundays also are there, but also uh, I will find time and I will invite you. I will inform you at least 4 days before. Yes, so that you can organize your time. Now, second thing is I wanted to add that, mm, of course, that chart you all have, you are waiting for that chart for update. Like I had questions, I'm keeping all questions in your mind, I'm looking your WhatsApp messages, and then I'm preparing my work, I'm doing my work, and I will soon update. Like you saw that chart. Yes, you asked that structure system, we had four structures, that in that chart we have one structure. So we will update. That was just headline. And now, and also not only me, after studying, you have done from day one until now, you have many more informations. We will keep adding, and I need your support also, because typing takes a lot of time. If you update, yes, and we will add and we will collect information for from everyone. Also I will add my, and we will keep updating that chart. That is just a beginning, step one, where we have to write pet, where we have to write plant, part of life, where we have to write mate. All this will we will update, so that when you look from top, you know where is the cause. And you have to spread this chart on your table, and where is the cause. This is very important. This is very important message. Secondly, I want to say that this experience will come only when you start taking histories. Like we have decided, like I have decided, we all collectively have decided that Sunday, this time, we will have session, and it will continue until my capacity, we will continue. Same way, you should also select one day in your week time and announce it in the group, or just announce, then I can forward that patient to you. Help. And first we should practice with our Sujok group, because our mind is matching. Before going to new people, outer public, we should first practice with our friends, colleagues, and Sujok group, because Sujok people, Sujok students will can easily catch your consciousness effect. You can take good result from Sujok people, because effect, they are very good in practicing effect, treatment based on effect. Like respiratory system problem, they know where is insect system, lung, they know where is main system. You can help them to guide lung meridian. This six key, you can give them six key. This is all part of effect. To start practicing with Sujok, this will give you confidence. Please sit and meditate. If you will take, you know 20 histories, if you will handle 20 people, your confidence will go up. And not only this, you will explore many more new things in writing this history, in talking. When you're talking to them, you will understand their consciousness. You will understand what kind of smile. Smile is also telling what kind of consciousness you have. In seminars, Professor Park Jevu used to, when they were doing a smile meditation, Professor Park Jevu used to click pictures, and then he used to zoom and see, try to read consciousness behind this smile. You think that I'm just collecting photographs for just for show off. No. In this group, every step is not show off, is evolution. You should fall in love with your smile. That photo I need. And that photo is mission of your life. That in all difficult situation, I have to reach this. Don't be satisfied until you reach grand perfection. Don't give me photo. I can wait. I can wait. Your purpose, your eyes should reflect your this, even if you're not doing is okay, because this is finally tool. You should know, you should practice 4 smiles. Neutro calm smile, hetero smile, homo smile, and final, this operating neutro number 5 smile. Now I will tell you the most important thing, why lip shape is important. You know, your lip shape can change the energy of your breath, can change the energy of your sound. You are producing sound with the help of breath and lip shape. Don't forget this. This is keyword. You are producing sound with the help of breath and with the help of lip shape. Sound, your voice box is participating. This is physical world sound. Now you stop your physical world sound, just without sound, produce metaphysical sound. I'm giving you 1 minute. We have 4 mantras in tri-origin. I want you to experience breath taking shape. In this voice box, in this trachea, when you inhale, without making sound, there is natural sound. There is a friction here, friction. See, without sound, just feel, inhale and exhale. Listen your sound. Listen your this sound. Feel this sound. Without, feel this metaphysical or soundless, but this friction is taking rhythm. And see, now take help of your lip shape calmly, because you have to experience, you have to give to your patient. If your smile experience is not up to this level, we cannot give, we cannot add smile mantra, we cannot add this mantras with their treatment. Mantras are so strong. Mudra, this is fixed, this is body, hand is fixed posture. When you add mantra, this sound, sound particles can reach many directions, far. Sound particles first, of course, first it will reach your corner, every corner of your body, and it will go very far also. So this is just posture, but this posture is giving your consciousness a guidance, like a road map. Go this direction, go this direction, go this direction. So sound, see, sound. Just feel the sound here. I'm hearing my sound. See, I'm now forcing myself strongly so that you can hear my. Otherwise, you don't need to force. You have to experience this naturally. And see, when you produce a sound, see, feel the sound, metaphysical sound, or this friction sound, not metaphysical, this sound, without using voice box, no voice box sound, and then air sound. This friction is creating some sound. This is so important. We miss this information sometimes. Whatever you are speaking in daily routine is also creating some sound, mixture of many sounds. And this is, this sound and this breath combination is creating some kind of, I can say, if you have created harmoniously, this, your medicine is activated here. First medicine is activated here in physical world. And when your consciousness joins, smile consciousness joins, then this becomes divine medicine. So you see, I want to tell you, I am writing, this is Newto step 1 smile. Newto smile has perfection. What is Newto smile? Because lip shape, sound, your this voice box sound, please write lip shape, voice box sound, and breath is creating some kind of vibration, and that every cell of your body is receiving. So let's say, when, of course, sound and breath is always there. Where you have to do hard work, sound is there, breath is there behind the screen. You are working on the canvas of breath. Breath is there. Then you are creating sound, and just feel what is happening inside. First step, calmly. See, first I will produce sound so that you can understand what mantra I'm focusing. Then you have to become soundless. Mm. This is Newto Ums. This is smile, but step 1. What is step 1? See. Step 2. See my lip corner. Step 3. Until you see the teeth. When you see teeth, it means hetero is about to open. It is hetero step 1. Like rising sun is hetero phenomena. So early morning rising sun is step 1. Then sun is coming little up, hetero 2. Then more up, hetero 3. And laughing comes, this is hetero 4. Same way, in each stage of sound, there are 4 steps, and your lip shape is guiding this 4 step. So you see what is complete 4, your final perfection of smile. No teeth. You have to be master of checking smiles. When you will do research on smile, your smile will evolve. You will understand where I'm standing. You will understand the quality of your smile, and then you will evolve. And what is our smile? Little bit teeth now opening. See, and see, step 1, and then next, and next, and next. Our smile also crossed 4 stages. You understand this? And then, oh, this is whistling. But if this whistling, see, everyone is whistling, but they are not ascending. Everyone is laughing, they are not ascending. Everyone is making this calm, they're not ascending, because smile is missing. Laughing is there, but smile is missing. We should understand the difference between laughing and smile. You see, if you laugh, ha 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 ha, ha, and then after laughing, joke is finished, and then this is just, that was just reaction, temporary reaction. After laughing, and if you achieve this, this is perfection. And what is neutro? Neutro smile? Neutro smile is combination of hetero, homo, neutro, and all. There is a curve, there is little hetero teeth, there is homo, there is lip going spiral up. You know, number 5, you have to see the corners of lip. You will understand many people in your life. If corners are coming down, it means step 1 is also not started. If corner going up, your consciousness is ascending. Initially, we are practicing physical way. But slowly, when your consciousness is enlightened, naturally, without any effort, smile is happening. Even when you sleep, smile is happening very naturally. Operating neutral smile. 1, 2, 3, and your chin going up. Your eyes, your face shining. And then in this condition, many popcorns mind particles because sound, breath, and consciousness. And fourth thing you have to add, you will understand that why many people are not ascending. Even they are smiling 24 hours, they are smiling. Mad person, people those who have mm, mind not developed, they are smiling and laughing all the time. You will see many people on the road, they are just smiling, but not ascending. Sometimes just lip, body is there, mind is not there, soul is not there, sound is not there. We have to be very, very serious about our smile. Very serious. Don't believe your smile. Don't believe your smile. Because you have to reach infinite perfection. You have to reach his smile. Smile is just, we are taking smile as physical makeup. And when we are meeting, when we are in front of camera, we say, smile morning. Even I say, I'm telling about myself, smile morning. This is social smile. And then when you are in your kitchen, in bathroom, in alone time. So let's come back to this topic. So your sound is producing, and lip shape will help the sound to take correct journey. Today is your homework that you produce various sound with the help of lip shape, because this will come with the experience. It will not come just with words. When you are making this lip shape and see the sound, what kind of sound you are producing? I'm listening my sound and producing little loud so that you can hear. My consciousness also there, not only lip shape. The sound is there. Lip shape is creating some language here. Language. We have to create some language without words. Continue until you reach calmness. If your lip shape is correct, it matters a lot. In this Professor Park, your beautiful researches, we are using alphabets in writing sentences. So your lip shape is also working like some alphabet, creating some word and sentences which is understood by the universe. Be very, very, you have to be aware. Before we help others, we have to first experience. And now I want to share important thing. Let me share my screen. Just a moment. My camera. Okay, it's coming. Just a moment. Taking some time. So anyway, it will take 1 minute. So what I want to tell you is that here in mind, we have 4 components. One is sound, second is shape, third is breath, fourth is consciousness. These four things, when aligned, your divine medicine is created first here. And then it reaches, then this sound particles reaches every sector of your body. Let me share my camera again. Check. Yes, now it is there. So that is why you see this sentence. I wanted you to write in your notebook. New awareness. Yes, we are creating some language which not for physical world, but for metaphysical world. We are trying to understand metaphysical languages. So this kind of awareness can help mind particle to pop up. You see, this is mind particle, mind particle. And this mind particle, immediately when this mind particles, this is awareness. Now, whatever we have discussed today, your awareness, one again popcorn pops up. This is awareness. And when your awareness is activated in new direction, your mind particles are going like this, you see. Ascending with every awareness. This is your mind particle quality. And it is like going up, up, up. It means with origin, our mind particles are getting this stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, where I'm standing. Yes, where whatever knowledge we have now, just to compile notes is not enough. You have to experience until this becomes part in life. This becomes part of your mind world. You understand this, that mind is the, sometimes mind is very good, but mind is also very stubborn. Mind cannot absorb or cannot agree to you if not convinced. On every level you have to convince, every level, because as I told you, human beings, this mind particle is the sector where he has given extraordinary beauties, extraordinary qualities. We have good, we have bad, we have everything. With this awareness, your popcorns, this is popcorn, pop up, pop up, pop up. One popcorn pop up today. After today's lecture, one more popcorn. And next day, and not only today, even your life situation is helping your mind awareness to grow. And then, wow, new information, I understand deeply. And then another popcorn pop up. With this pop up, your mind can take you towards correct direction. So now, if you understand this, I want to tell very important point, fundamental point when we are studying breath. Breath. Breath this is universe. From where this breath is coming, first we should understand. Where is the source? Of course, he is one, but in outer world, how do you understand? This breath, this is universe. This is universe. And this breath, every moment, this is breath. It means you are interacting with the universe. This breath is this is neuto part of soul. Soul, when we will study Also, soul, when we talk about soul, soul has also four activities, fundamental four activities. Breath is again neuter in soul world. Soul is neuter, breath is in this neuter branch, breath is again neuter. Yes. So this breath, because of this breath, this is direct activity of soul. Because of this breath, you are connected with this universe. So in this universe, if you understand this, that all shape what you see is physical world, and this physical world is composed of physical particles. So there are homoparticle in this universe. Also, physical particles, you see dust particles, the light particles. What is this? This is physical world particles. So with the breath, you are interacting with this physical world particles, and also you have clearly understood that our journey started from his particle. Everything came out from one point, and from one point, yes, from one point, first metaphysical particle was, was released, metaphysical particle, and superfine, you can write soul particle. Then here, another metaphysical like mind. With soul, there are metaphysical particles, superfine particles in this universe. Soul is with the living beings, but also there are superfine. Soul has come after after four big, in the series of four big bang, soul particle has come with the superfine. We should write superfine particle, superfine particle. Then next is also metaphysical particles, because we have another metaphysical. This is less quality than soul, and mind particle has come. So it means, of course, mind is with living beings, but also there are metaphysical particles, also fine particles. Fine, this is super fine, this is fine metaphysical particles. Because whatever you see, mountains, valleys, all shapes cannot just jump from the zero world and can come. All of a sudden you will see mountains. No, we are understanding very systematically. All these particles, when these particles, all condensed, collected, it is creating shape. But these fine metaphysical particles are very subtle and very hidden, very deep. It is there in this universe. This is particle world. What do you think? You see, you move your arm here in the empty space. This space. What is this? You see empty, but no, this is not empty. This is space particles. This is space particle. So here, homoparticle. Homoparticle. Your space particle is here. Your body particle is here. Also here, time particle is here. Time particle is here. Then another is life particle. There are life particle is combination of all. There are combination. You see, human being is the best example of combination of all particles. So there, life particles, neutral particles, This you know already we have done, but I am pushing you again and again to understand the depth. Then in this universe, there are time particles, there is space particle, and there is so many things. And also because this is a mind particle, so many human beings, you know, animal world, all shooting anger particle, anxiety particles. So you will see impact of all particles in your surrounding. Pollution, metaphysical pollution, physical pollution. So everything is here. This is not just empty space. Today, wherever you're sitting, in your room, outside or inside, yes, just focus, just allow your awareness to feel this empty space. This is full of particle, but yes, you couldn't see with your local eyes. Also some particles you couldn't see with the help of microscope and some instruments, yes, tools, technical tools. You can see some, but you cannot see some. There are vacuum particles, latent, transparent particles. Now, science understands that there is dark particle, dark matter, dark particles. There are so many hidden truth in this universe. This universe is full of stories, full of particle. We just focus dust particle as pollution. Okay, I explained this, but now we are going deeper to this subject. So if you understand, just in headline, if I summarize all, it means this universe where you are breathing, it has four particle world. It means four world particles. You are moving in the, with the, outside, in and with, and you are moving with four world particles. This universe is, when we die, we are merged here only. We are evolving, we are coming out here and going out here only in this wonderful universe. There is no past, there is no heaven, there is no hell. This is particle world. So finally we are merging with the particle world. So this, we are breathing four worlds. We are breathing four world. Physical particle, yes, physical particle is here, metaphysical particle is here, his particle is here, but he is there even behind the bad. Now what when I say bad particle, good or bad, then you know this bad is coming from this human mind world. Okay, it is there. So many shootings are happening, tha 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 tha, around your, when you go to market, can you imagine in that market so many particles shooting from human mind? It is there, it is there. But at the same time, the beauty is that his particle is also there inside every particle. It is latent, it is latent. It is like popcorn, which is there but not popping up. Now what happens when you breathe? Because now this is very important. If we are not aware, then all these inhale and exhale, we are breathing in and out, and all in particles are coming inside us. According to the level of our consciousness, these particles are taking shape, and and then these particles are going inside your body. So if your this quarter, headquarter, this is headquarter, this is headquarter, it means if your, and when I say headquarters, this is your, this nervous system, this is your mind. Mind is everywhere, but this is headquarter, I say. And if this becomes enlightened, this becomes real smile, mind smile. Mind smile is very, very important. Automatically soul smile will come. When this is activated, and this full headquarter, top, eyes, nose, this is consciousness. And here, if your consciousness becomes smile consciousness, your ears, your nose, this is creating one warmth. Warmth helping popcorn to pop up. Only in this consciousness, all those dark particles, bad particles, good particles, physical world particles, metaphysical particles, when it comes inside, latent, his smile, as I told you, that inside each particle, he is, his divine particle, his particle is always there. So when in this consciousness, yes, this warmness is there. You understand the warmness when I say, I smile, your sound, your mantra, all this will help you to create warmness in the upper headquarter. Sound is so important here, this head and neck together. Yes, so your lip shape, your breath, your sound, you can write lip shape, sound, breath, and smile consciousness. Awareness. What is smile consciousness? Not just lip, awareness of four worlds, awareness of all scenarios, awareness, fully aware of his rules, fully aware of his kingdom. This is his kingdom. Where is his kingdom? His kingdom is everywhere. His kingdom is everywhere. So awareness, because you are breathing his particle, I told you everything is available in present moment, but many people just breathing just for living, just for living. In next Sunday, I'm going to focus breathing techniques, breath, smile breath meditation. We have soul breathing, mind breathing, body breathing, life breathing. I will focus this topic and I'm preparing base now. Yes. So now when this is fully activated, when this sector becomes warm, warm is not like a fever warm, warm is inner warmness, inner enlightenment, inner light, inner fire. Then what happens in this case, when all particles coming, what happens? You know, we have physical, as a whole, we have physical particles and we have metaphysical particle. Okay. Then when we talk about physical world particle, this is oxygen is also coming. Oxygen is also part of this world, not complete. You are thinking that we are just breathing oxygen. It is not true. Because oxygen is part of atom world, physical world, we have proof and we accept. Our mind needs proof. We accept and we say, okay. Now in this physical world particle, because physical world is shape world. Let's talk about physical world. Physical world is shape world. So shape means physical world has very clear rules. Blood should flow in certain direction, vessels. Blood cannot come out, or oxygen. What is the rule of oxygen? Physical. Oxygen is part of physical world. So the rule of this is that oxygen should go via nose and then come to trachea, yes, and then come to lungs, and then it goes to every part of body. So physical world has rules. Without shape, it cannot reach and it cannot go. You see, this oxygen cannot come here directly. Strict rule in physical world. You cannot go here and there. Your oxygen is coming not from eyes. He has created this channel. Only through this channel it will come. Okay, so this is physical world rule, and you know this only that I am breathing in and out. This awareness is physical world awareness only. Okay, now you know that you have 4 world particles: his particle, metaphysical particles, super fine particles. These are also there. Now, what is the rule? I'm giving you simple examples so that I can help your baby mind or naughty mind to understand the rules of zero world and metaphysical world and physical world. So physical world particles will definitely go via trachea, nose, trachea, respiratory system. But what are the rules of metaphysical world? I am asking. The rule for metaphysical world is no shape. No shape criteria means it can come through any direction. So solar chakra is very close. Solar chakra is very close to your metaphysical world. So solar chakra breathing is very important. Next time we are focusing breathing meditation. Also many studies, but then I have to give fundamental information, and then we study many technical points also. I know you have many questions. I have good plan for you. I'm writing those questions and preparing new chart for you. Don't worry. But then to use those charts, we need all these understanding. So this is metaphysics. Solar chakra is very close to metaphysical because this chakra is metaphysical. It is inside body. You cannot see solar chakra. Okay. Now, with the help of the solar chakra, all zero world particles, his world particles come inside, very easily absorbed, and then it spreads in all part of body. Now, when it is spreading, what is happening? What is happening? It is just spreading, but not doing that work. You can use these particles as miracle particles. So when this spreading happens and when this particle touches your this headquarter, now you know headquarter smile. I'm not saying no lip smile. Headquarter smile means your head and neck. And when I say neck, it means sound, mantra, everything is here. Lip shape, eye shape, your smile consciousness as you have written for. So what happens then? All these particles, when it touches the headquarter, whether it is dark particle, bad particle, emotional particles are not coming from nose. Also because emotions are part of metaphysical world. So all these particles, yes, coming from this solar chakra, latent, yes, when it touches the headquarter, the warmness of headquarter, then popcorn pops up, ha, because popcorn needs warmness of strong smile, and then latent smile hidden inside this particle, whether it is dark particle, bad particle, anxiety particle, metaphysical particle, anything, then when it touches your headquarter, warmness, smile, warmness, this pop up and latent smile hidden in this particle is awakened. It is awakened. And what happens? Then this is metaphysical. His particles are awakened inside. Even if there is dark particle, that is why it is so important when you're eating, when you're drinking. Every time you should have warmness, your smile consciousness, how you are producing sounds. This sound, this friction is creating, adding one more warm step to your headquarter. Your lip shape is adding one warm step to this headquarter. Your vision, next time I will teach you, I will give you this awareness how, with the help of how to create warmness here, how to create warmness on the level of nose. This is big subject. Each subject you touch, and so systematically. So when this is activated, then all smile, all particle, latent smile, or when I say latent smile, it means when I say always his smile, his particle, this is his power. This is perfection awakening inside all dark particles. This is his smile awakening inside all dark particles. And then when metaphysical world, that smile warmness is awakened and opened, what will happen? Naturally, metaphysical world does not need any pathways. Then with the headquarter awareness, with the consciousness, you can just take your awareness to your knee joint. This is swelling, knee pain. Just your awareness will bring all your this awakened his particle, metaphysical world particle, smile world particle to the knee sector, and disease is here, and it will also disease behind the disease. This his when this warmness touches this, then his particle is awakened here on the knee also. Not only knee, in any part of your body, whether it is liver or spleen or stomach or pancreas or eyes, your nose, you can send this particle with this warmness. You can send just your awareness wherever, for creating good strong awareness, because this is beginners. You can keep your hand on the knee while doing smile meditation. If you want to open your heart blockages, just keep your hand on the heart and allow these all four world particles coming already. Even if you don't allow, they will come inside, but you are not eligible to use the power of those world, of those particles. We are not eligible because this is headquarter is very sad. You can keep, if you have head, any tumor in head, any tumor in lung, or any organ, just keep that. So many miracles will happen. Just keep that. But for this training, for this headquarter training, we need days, months, years. And if it hits you, just 1 minute is enough. In someone's life, just 1 minute. In someone's life, 1 year, one whole life, or many lives. To understand this subject, to awaken his particle, many lives can also take place. And I told you that he has given life for solution. We have come on this earth to harmonize, to awaken his particle in all his our existence, in mind particle world, in body particle world. We are composed of four world particles. Four world particles are outside our body and inside our body, but we couldn't awaken. That is why we have suffering and diseases. So we can awaken with the help of this warmness. I hope you have understood this point. I try to push very hard because you have to experience. Now you understand why your patient is not getting result. We have to be expert that we are not teaching triogen to our patient, but we are doing effort so that he reaches that calmness level, that his world warmness touches his world warmness, and then you are helping your patient. Your words, your language in your meditation should be so that his awareness is taking help of your awareness. holding your awareness, patient is taking his awareness, he is increasing his calmness and then taking his calmness towards knee or liver or spleen. This is how you have to heal them. I hope you understand. And now we will do some meditation. Yes, do you understand this topic? Chat box. Do you understand this? Yes, very nice. You understand this. All questions will dissolve. I will explain you from physical world point of view, all technical questions, I will give all answers. But in my journey, this is my, I feel this is my duty to awaken his world inside you. Only you can heal others only if you have felt, only if you have experienced. In coming, because morning times I always keep for meditation and studies of his word. Evening time, whenever I will give evening time, I told you I will inform for at least 4 days before, maybe 1 week or 4 days before, and we will study all those questions, whatever questions you have. Yes, that is why this complete Trajan knowledge, 11 days from day one until today, and then many more future sessions are all steps, are all steps of ladder taking you to his world. Don't stop treatment, just start treatment. Even if you find some cause, local cause, if you don't find, I will give you one example of finding cause now. This question to you, if you can reach, if you open this, you can reach many cause. Patient has some accident and this person, now I will help you how you reach cause. I will give you this vision. This is your work. Everyone should compile notes as per your level of your consciousness. Don't share now, we will share later. We will have open discussions, we will allow everyone to participate. Why? Because when you are sharing your note, it is your consciousness. And if people start copying your note, then it is, you will not evolve. You will not evolve at all. I have written notes in Professor Park Jewu seminar with my consciousness. So many colleagues have written notes in Professor Park Jewu seminar as per their consciousness level. Everyone has understood Professor Park Jewu. They all have understood as per their level of consciousness. Maybe someone has understood more higher level, but we have to compile our notes because this is our evolution. If someone has understood the deeper aspect and you just pick up his notes and you write down, then you are missing the steps. You have just gone to his consciousness, that your colleague's consciousness, and then you don't know when you finally, then you have to start your journey again because he has reached and you are behind and you have just copy paste. Copy paste is not good idea. In spiritual world, copy paste is not good idea. I am saying not because copy paste of Professor Park Jeewu's studies notes, no, not just this. I have lived, I am living, and with every passing day I am evolving and understanding his notes as per my level of consciousness. Now whatever I have took so many years until this consciousness, for you just 1 month compile notes and you say I know everything and I'm ready. This is not evolution. Your journey, this is tool of course, but your journey. So example, person has knee pain, accident, Okay, then you are writing, taking his history, and you immediately say, okay, now because of knee pain, his body is suffering. Okay, body cannot do work, cannot walk. This is called body suffering. Not only knee pain, not only knee suffering, but complete body suffering. Because of this knee, you couldn't walk, you have put on weight, and you cannot do your house activities. Your body is suffering, body particles suffering. So in this case, what is the cause and what is the effect? Finger. Let me please write chat box. Our morning session, this is also meditation. This is also meditation. Yes. So our triagen smile meditation, don't always expect closing eyes. Ascending, awareness opening, awareness petals opening is meditation also. Cause accident, okay? Affect body. And if cause is accident, then which finger? Which finger? Accident, body damage, body accident, body accident. Which finger? Cause, body injuries. Body injuries is homo. Body injury is homo. And effect is body. Okay, now you have finished and you are very happy. You're very happy and you say, oh, I found the cause. Injury is homo and effect is body. Perfect. This is our one stage understanding. This will work. But the more you close, more closer you go to cause, your healing will become more faster. Then after asking history, after taking his history, why this accident happened? Yes. And then when you come, when you talk to his family says, he is always driving fast. He's always thinking this and that and driving always fast. And not only in home, also this he or she is all maximum time falling down. Local accidents, sometimes slips in the bathroom, sometimes kitchen, sometimes stairs. And these small accident in your daily routine, if you find yourself you are getting some hits, this is message. You fall down, you get a hit, and this, what is the cause there? In this case, you have gone one step up. You have gone one step up. First was body injury homo, correct? You have such a big chart. Then go more mind. Mind. Okay, mind. Correct. Correct. Mind. Next, mind is rushing here and there. So accidents are happening because mind is hetero and mind is not neutral. If mind is neutral, then accident is not happening. Yes, you are very much aware and alert. And that is why ladies getting burned in kitchen more often. You see many burned marks. You can understand that her mind is hetero. If you are neutral, you are very well, you have wisdom. Okay, this case is not finished. We can go more deep. Okay, finally you have reached and you are satisfied. Oh, I reached one layer top. And then we are sitting and talking to this person and to family people, and this we came to, and we are thinking why he is very fast in his activities, what he want to achieve, why he's going fast here and there and want to finish his work very fast, office, this, that. And then we came to know from his history, this person is attached with some social or spiritual organization. Let's take spiritual organization. Yes, these days people are very much attached to some this Brahm Kumaris or this Oshos, and okay, attached with some spiritual organization. Because of this spiritual organization, he is very much ready, or he is very much involved to help people to do something and to explore something and to give something, help this, that, and want to help organization. That is why in his mind always he's thinking about others, this, that, and organization, and want to finish his work very fast, very fast. He want to finish because he want to reach again his spiritual organization, and he want to sit on computer to work for spiritual organizations, or he want to do some physical activities to support spiritual organization, or he want to lead his spiritual life and he want to give time. And that is why he want to finish everything very fast, so that he can come to his cozy corner and he can focus his spiritual life. That is why very mind, very hetero, want to finish everything very fast. Now, where is the cause? You have reached the cause. I'm teaching you how to reach cause. And then you have reached the cause, final cause. Because of this, he is, mind has become hetero. And then because mind has become hetero, he is facing accidents. So you have gone to life. So spiritual life can also become a cause. Don't forget, we take it very positively. And many other examples I will give you in coming time to help you, to push you to realize the cause. So before we do small smile meditation, this is your work. In group, whenever there is question coming, please participate writing answers. And if you feel that there is one more way to go to cause to higher level, please push that answer. When you participate, you will grow. You will grow. Okay. And also don't forget to give your smile photo, and don't give me smile photo until you feel you are taking care of your surrounding. My dress should be very good. My surroundings should be very good. But please take care of your this. We are not focusing your surrounding or dress. We are just focusing. What is your mission? Reflect on your face, click photo and tell. First, of course, you will tell someone to click your photo, but that mission should come on your face. What is your mission? Ascend. Try to create four kind, all smiles we need. We need homo smile to go to grand, and then select which smile is good. Neutral smile, hetero smile, homo smile. But whistling has smile. Lip corner is participating in smile and consciousness. And operating neutral. Okay. So this photo is very important step in journey. This is not photography as you are taking selfie, or this is not for this show off. This is photo of your metaphysical world, which is reflecting on your face. And this effort will take you to next step, because now you have understood. So now we will do with correct smile, and also don't forget mantras. Okay. So very important to give correct shape to your face. You can also tell your patient to say a. Tell him, don't, if you say, please smile, he will not smile. You just tell him, this is mantra I'm giving you to activate your healing energies. Just perform in front of him, and you just say, eh. And to produce a sound, you don't have any choice. And neutral smile will come. When you say ah, yes, eh. And then in this journey, you can take him and then become soundless. You try first, you become soundless and go deep in without sound. I'm producing a sound, and this a sound lip shape will help you to reach grand perfection. Okay, so you all will come on video if you're ready, and we will do just small smile meditation. I'm putting one music. And don't worry, all technical questions. I'm preparing one chart for you, and also days time I will send. We will discuss maybe in evening time. Same, all those technical points we will discuss. Okay, now be free and smile meditation. So sharing my music. So today now shape of lip first. Shape of lip first. Just focus your shape now. Don't be satisfied with your local shape. Today is great time with warmness of your headquarter. You are bringing your smile awareness on your lips, lip corners going up, and also without physical effort. When you practice this, naturally one day, this lip shape will become automatically smile shape. With this shape, lip shape, now you are breathing with the awareness of four worlds. In this universe, in and out, there are four world particles. Metaphysical world, physical world. In your empty space, wherever you are sitting in your room, all four world particles are floating. With the awareness, you're not doing any effort. Don't do any physical effort. Just breathing like a baby. Don't put any effort. But with awareness, there are four world particles. Your eyes smiling, ears smiling, nose is smiling, your lip corners little up, up. Sometimes, because of our routine face, many times our lip corners are down. It becomes like frozen, and very difficult to uplift lip corners because we have not used these lip corners. That is why initially it is difficult, because every time you feel like resting after uplifting your lip corner, you feel like resting and then again your lip corner come down. You have to practice many times. Don't push so hard. Maybe today gentle up is okay. Slowly, slowly it will ascend naturally. Breathing in with the awareness of four world particles. With every breath, his particle inside each particle is awakening as a popcorn popping up after getting the warmness of your smile consciousness. From four directions, particles are coming inside your body. Oxygen particles are going through nose, trachea, respiratory system and spreading in your body. But metaphysical world particles from your solar chakra, just keep your hand on the level of your diaphragm, solar chakra, so that you can sense all metaphysical world particles are directly communicating with solar chakra. Once you touch solar chakra with warmness, with smile, and all particles, metaphysical world particles, coming through solar chakra starts communicating with your metaphysical warm smile consciousness, starts communicating with your upgraded awareness. And then many metaphysical particles popping up in this warm container like popcorn. Tuck, 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 tuck. Opening, 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 expanding, expanding. All smile particles awaken. Smile is everywhere but not awakened. With this consciousness, with high awareness of smile, your face is becoming bright. Calmness is flowing. And then metaphysical world particles, they can go any direction without following the pathways inside the body. With your awareness, guide your metaphysical world particles to go particular direction. Your awareness is enough for these metaphysical world, but for your satisfaction, you can keep hand on the affected area. Do you want to send to heart? Keep hand on the heart. Some cholesterol blockage, some high blood pressure, low blood pressure. If you have lumbar, just keep your hand on spine. Even if your hand couldn't reach spine, touch any sector of spine, cervical, lumbar, wherever your hand can reach. Your spine particles will reach the spine. If any problem in the head, eyes, nose, chest, lungs, wherever you want, just send your awareness. Or with your physical direction, your hand keep on that path. Today, if you have any brain issue, just keep your hand on the brain and breathe in and out without any effort. No effort in breathing is his breathing. So when I say breathe in and out, you're just focusing your breathing, not doing any effort. And then your smile particles are reaching your head as if your brain is breathing. Your face touch every sector. Thyroid, chest, abdomen. Reproductive problem, keep hand, arm, leg. Wherever you want, with your smile awareness, just take those wonder miracle particles to that area. And you are smiling with ascended consciousness. You are neither in good state or bad state, neither in happy state nor in sad state. You are just calm. You are above emotions now. You have vacuum, feeling power of vacuum particles now. Zero world particles are shapeless, empty, vacuum particles. It is there inside you. Only your awareness is enough. This is relaxed awareness, not pushing your mind very hard. Your mind doesn't understand. Just focus your breathing in calmness stage. Sometimes collective group smile meditation can support each other. This is great power that satisfied. We should never miss the chance. Once your great power, realization of this power is resumed, you can do alone also. Focus your 99% inside you. Give time to this work, to this realization. All beautiful beauties will come in your life naturally. It is not just recovery of health, but many wondrous things, many miracles. Continue your journey. Do effort every day. As I told you, give time to yourself. Universe is guiding me to push you, push you. Please sense this universal call. Live for yourself first and then for others. Touch this power. Find the cause of your pain and send smile particles, metaphysical particles to that sector of your life. From where the pain is coming, because metaphysical particles can go any direction. The speed of metaphysical particles is more than the light particle. Light particle belongs to physical world. But metaphysical particles belong to zero world. So zero world particle speed. Also zero world particle can go any direction. Any direction. If suffering is coming from your social life, family life, see that event. See that event, suffering event now, and send many smile particles to that event. If some failures are coming from some sectors of your life, see that failure first and send lots of smiles with your warm smiling face headquarter, and see smiles in that suffering situations or failure situation. Your failures changing to success. See that. Your mind can invite future smile, present smile in that suffering situation. Whether it is physical disease, life problem, house matter, finance, touch the cause, reach the cause of your suffering. If you feel that I have done something wrong and this is giving guilt, go to that sector, see your guilt and send lots of smiles to your guilt. I am becoming vacuum. As soon as you recover smiles in different sectors of your life, realization of this emptiness, beautiful, powerful emptiness, this vacuum will expand more and more,
You cannot say
more
I will not
and more.
understand this, but I will not.
Finally, don't give stress to your mind. One touch with awareness is enough. You don't need to stay in that situation. Just one touch and then come back to your vacuum. Because this vacuum, this inner power, this 99 percentage is the well, is the sea. You have to pick up power, water from this well and shower to the suffering sectors of your life. That's it. But for this, you have to fill your well. You have to dig your well every day and smile. Calm smile. Relax smile. Samadhi is the state of feeling self in vacuum, as if physical world is cut off and you are just with metaphysical world, as if cut up from mind world, physical world, and just reach the vacuum, emptiness with awareness. It is not sleep, it is high awareness of vacuum. And smile, smile, continue and smile. Even if there is no sound, no music, just continue your smile. Never open your eyes as an accident. Always, you have to learn. You have to prepare yourself. Take your time. Continue your smile journey. Try to send smile wherever is the cause. Continue. Every day, find time before sleeping or morning or afternoon. Anytime. Sometimes in afternoon, no problem. But make sure, give time to travel towards your emptiness. Thank you for your participation. We all are blessed that we are holding each other's hand. With this collective power, definitely we will ascend soon. Thank you so much. Stay calm and smiling in all your actions and reactions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you.